Is up, YouTube? We are back with another reaction video. In today's video, we're gonna be looking at God memes again. Try not to laugh. If I do laugh, I gotta make a funny noise. I gotta make a fucking crazy noise. I gotta come up with new shit, you know. But thank you guys so much for all the love on TikTok, Instagram. Make sure you guys go hit a follow and like and comment on this video. It helps with the YouTube algorithm. Let's just get right into it. Let's just fucking do it.
Bro, I hate that my neck is so long. Like, bro, watch this. And then when I get my hair twisted and it's like down or whatever, bro, it look even worse. It's just like I got a to Pepper from McDonald's.
That was a funny one. Sorry if I scared you guys, but Jim Carrey is so funny. Every gun makes its own tune. His battle cry. Yeah, that club lit, bro. Oh, hell no.
Wow.
Run, little man, run. Oh, he hit his head. Oh, I already saw this. This is the one where he dropped his chicken nuggies. Man, you can't drop your chicken nuggies like that, man. It's kind of cool.
You scared me, yo. I didn't see no name tag.
Living with my girlfriend be like. That's how it be.
Wow.
The smallest school bus ever. God damn.
What the fuck is that?
That shit do look pretty small. That shit do look fire too.
The random
Okay,
stuff I
just
see
a
at
random
work
goose.
when it's
The random stuff I see at work. Yo, I would take all that money and donate it to charity.
So much. Matt. It gets
Ooh, that should look pretty good.
That's what she said.
Wow.
What the fuck? Your sign's upside down, buddy.
I hope that helps.
He's so happy. Don't do him like that, bro. Oh shit. Oh shit. Was bragging about being a DJ booth and didn't know I had the filter on.
Good day, I'm Bob the Necromancer, and today we're doing an unboxing.
Oh damn, that's fucked up. Oh, what a cute dog.
Wow.
You fucking that shit up. Yeah, we gotta rewatch that, y'all. Cute dog. What was that sound? Kind of awkward. Ah!
Sounds so real. Like it's playing like right in here. Yo!
Yo, what is he? How do you get a piano in there, bro?
Keep popping up everywhere. I don't get why people like these. Come on, Mr. Oinks, let's go.
Est-ce que vous avez un chat qui vous rapporte le jouet, qui vous rapporte la balle? Parce que moi, oui.
Oh, right when I say meow, it's a fucking cat. Oh. Poor catty. Ugh. Nasty ass. What? That's so fucked. That's so fucked.
Wow.
That's pretty cool.
Did you hear something?
Yeah, good shit,
I
buddy.
hear something.
Little kitten. Aw.
No, I don't want to die.
He sounds like me. Expect reality. Oh shit. Aw, what a cute little dog, man. He's just living life.
Look at this bunny
Like
rabbit
fire.
eating celery. Oh my god.
Look at this guy with no bitches.
Guys, can you cook me a can of soup? Please and thank you.
I got 3 kinds here.
No, not that one. I want that one in the wall right there.
Fuck that.
How the hell did I get in there?
Oh my god.
Dirty car, man.
Dude, oh my god. Oh, fuck yeah, he left me a chicken sandwich.
Is he fucking something, bro? He just wants the blueberry, man. Give him the blueberry. Nice. He effing ate that. Aw. Don't scare him like that. Yeah, my dog does that too. What is that? A little changing room? Nice. What is he doing? Low sense people be like. I don't get that one.
Ladies and gentlemen, it's not a power center to Minneapolis. Weather is mostly cloudy, temperatures in the 60s and southwest.
Why is this so true? That one friend that can't be low key.
Bro, there's a homeless person right behind us. Okay? Just don't look, okay? Okay. Just ignore him, okay?
They make it so obvious. Saying the first word that comes to mind.
Oh no. You can't get out. That's terrible.
Oh, the kitty.
Yes, do you need help? You can't get out. Are you stuck?
I love cats, man. Oh, that looks dope. Oh, shit.
Screen sharing? Okay, by the way, I have this little bug that changes my wallpaper to my save photo. Oh,
Wait, let me rewatch the PC one.
Are you stuck?
Yeah, that should look. Oh, that should look pretty fire, bro.
screen sharing? Yeah. Okay, by the way,
Oh,
I have
boy!
this little bug that changes my wallpaper to my save photo. Oh,
Fortnite. Is that Kermit? Kitty, kitty. Oh my god, what a little kitty.
Let's go, boys!
Let's go, boys. Why is he so mad? Oh my god. Oh, that's in, bro. Ooh. Picked it up. Pick it up. Pick it up. Oh, it's closed. No, it's not closed. 5 double hole. This guy's screwed.
You pick this one. There's nothing. You want to see what's under this one? Nothing. I tricked you, Penny. Why'd you headbutt it? You angry baby?
Why does he look like that?
I tricked you.
Is that his bike? Yo, where is he at? Oh, that's pretty dope.
A baller. When times get hard, need someone to help me out. Instead of a scrub like you who don't know what a man's about.
Why does it look so accurate? That has to be fake. Oh, I don't understand that one. Ew! Give him his ice, man. That was almost a good catch.
Why this giant excavator has this tiny little bucket on it? Look at it.
Fuck.
That's so funny.
What's he doing? What a beautiful statue. Hey guys, so we're gonna end it here. Thank you guys so much for watching. You guys are absolutely great. Check out the Instagram, TikTok, Twitter at Bayfax. You guys already know. Thank you guys so much for the support lately. You guys are absolutely fire. I love every single one of you guys, and have a good rest of your day. God bless. Stay safe.